This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming accounts and subscription. Sign into your Microsoft account and verify Xbox Game Pass Ultimate or Trial Access. Once done, open the Xbox app on Windows or a supported browser and go straight to cloud gaming. Make sure your controller is connected and your network meets minimum speed. If possible, switch to wired or 5 GHz Wi-Fi for lower latency. You're now ready to pick a game and initiate the stream. Next, pair and optimize. Connect your controller by USB, Bluetooth, or the Xbox wireless adapter so inputs are immediate. Then give the browser or app necessary permissions and close streaming-heavy background apps to free bandwidth. Once paired, open streaming options and choose the best quality for your connection. Lower quality reduces lag, higher quality improves visuals. Also confirm your region and language settings to match servers. This helps. Now launch and polish. Pick a cloud-enabled title and hit play. Once streaming, switch to full screen and tweak bitrate or controller mapping for responsiveness. If frame pacing or input lag persists, try simple fixes. Switch to a wired Ethernet connection, restart your router, or move closer to the access point. If that does not help, clear browser cache or app data, update GPU and controller drivers, and ensure Windows and the Xbox app are up to date. These steps resolve most connection and compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.